buddy. You ready for your BarkBox? Okay, so Gizmo just got his January BarkBox. And it looks like it's maybe some sort of a castle theme. Here's his card, Crown Your Dog. How cute. You make the little card into a crown. And then the Knights of the Hound table is our theme this month. And it says, hear ye, hear ye. Or excuse me, hear ye, hear ye. On this fair month, join thy dog for an incredible journey to the age of King Arthur. In this BarkBox, every toy leads to epic adventure, every treat is a merry feast, and rolling in the mud totally counts as a bath. Whether your dog is a brave knight, a noble royal, or a jolly innkeeper, they have everything they need for much merriment and glee. Okay, so let's see what we have. Hold on. Oh, you want to see what it is? Hold on. So our first toy of the month, oh, that's cute, is Squirrel Lancelot. And he's a pretty good size. He's got a little sword and a shield and then a furry tail back here. And I think, let's see. Oh yeah, he squeaks. You like that? Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Here. Oh yeah. Okay. And let's see what else we have in here. So our chew treat, hang on. Our chew treat this month is Dozer's Dental Chews for dogs 30 to 50 pounds. So Gizmo's not quite that heavy. We get him the medium box because the items in the small box seem a little small for him. He tends to like things that are a little bit larger. Let's see. I think this is just sort of a teeth cleaner. Gluten-free. Okay, there you go. We'll open it in a minute. Okay, our next treat is Banquet Feast. Wheat-free, corn-free, soy-free turkey and honey dog snacks. And they look sort of just like little round balls inside. It's fairly heavy. I think it's 5 ounces, but it seems like a good amount. You want to treat in a minute? Okay, and then let's go into the next treat because he really wants that toy. Okay, so our next treat is green bark gummies with Nutri-Chia. And it says it's for skin and coat, dog treats for rewarding and training. And I don't know, I feel like they have a weird shape. Let's see what they are. I'm not sure what these are made out of. Here, can you open those? I'm going to get one of them. And then our last toy this month, oh, this guy's cute too. Sherwin the Dragon. He's got squeakers and a crinkle. Okay, just a second. And plush. So there's the plush, and then there's the crinkle in his wings. And then let's find a squeaker. Oh, it's in the body. I can feel it. Here's a deep squeaker. He has moved on to the treats. Gizmo does not want. Put him on the other side. He does not want the toy right now, but he'll like it a little bit. Here, you're going to treat. Okay, so this was the green bark gummies, and they almost, hold on, they almost look like they're in the shape of a little bear, maybe. I don't know. Here, you want to treat? You want to eat? Here, eat. Yeah. Here. Here. There you go. Yeah, now he likes it. He's, well, maybe not. Go ahead, eat. He's not used to being fed on the couch, so. Good. Okay, so that is the January BarkBox. Treats, 2 squeaky toys, and then of course our little chew toy right there. Gizmo is, I think, more interested in the treats right now than the toys, but he will play with all of them as he has with every BarkBox that he's ever gotten. And if you're interested in getting a BarkBox, I will put the link in the comments for you to try one for yourself.